Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. And if your espresso machine repeatedly trips your breaker, shuts down your outlet, or cuts power the moment you turn it on, it can be one of the most alarming problems a machine owner encounters because electrical faults feel far more serious than common flow or pressure issues. But in reality, many of these problems are caused by a few predictable components inside the machine that fail over time due to heat, moisture, or mineral buildup. And understanding how the electrical system works inside an espresso machine makes diagnosing the problem much easier and far less intimidating. Inside every espresso machine, there are several components that consume electricity, including the heating element inside the boiler, the pump, control electronics, and sometimes additional heaters for group heads or thermoblocks. But the component that draws the most power by far is the heating element, because it must convert electricity into heat too, bring water to brewing and steaming temperatures. And if this element develops an internal short circuit or insulation failure, it can allow electrical current to leak into the machine chassis, which instantly trips a breaker or ground fault circuit interrupter as a safety mechanism to prevent electric shock. This type of failure often develops slowly over time, because heating elements operate under extremely harsh conditions, constantly exposed to high temperatures, mineral scale, and pressure. Cycles that gradually degrade their internal insulation. And once scale buildup forms around the element, it can trap heat unevenly, causing hot spots that weaken the metal sheath and allow electrical leakage to occur, meaning the machine might run normally for years before suddenly beginning to trip the breaker whenever the heating cycle activates. Another common cause of electrical shutdown is moisture inside the machine reaching electrical connectors, since espresso machines combine electricity and water in a very compact environment where leaks, steam condensation, or worn seals can allow water droplets to reach wiring terminals or circuit boards, creating intermittent short circuits that trigger power protection systems. Wiring damage is another potential source of the problem, especially in older machines where repeated heating and cooling cycles cause insulation to become brittle and crack, exposing conductive wires that may touch the metal frame of the machine and create a ground fault whenever power flows through the circuit. Some machines also include safety thermostats or thermal cutoffs designed to interrupt power if the boiler overheats, and if these components fail, or will become overly sensitive, they may shut down the machine prematurely, creating symptoms that appear similar to a breaker trip. Diagnosing electrical issues, therefore, requires approaching the machine carefully and methodically, starting by identifying whether the breaker trips immediately when the machine is turned on or only when the heating element activates, because this timing can reveal whether the problem lies in the heating circuit, the pump system, or another electrical component, and technicians often use insulation resistance testing or multimeter measurements to determine whether current is leaking from the heating element or wiring to the chassis. Understanding these electrical systems not only helps you repair the immediate issue, but also highlights how closely espresso machines depend on the balance between electricity, heat, and water to function safely, which is why proper maintenance, such as descaling boilers, inspecting wiring periodically, and repairing leaks early can dramatically reduce the likelihood of electrical faults developing in the first place. And once you understand how these components interact, you can troubleshoot power problems much more confidently instead of assuming the machine has suffered a catastrophic failure, which is exactly the kind of practical repair knowledge we focus on here at BrewFix to help coffee enthusiasts, baristas, cafe owners, and aspiring technicians understand their machines better, diagnose electrical problems safely, and keep their espresso equipment running reliably. So every morning begins with